Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear HD subscriber, hope you will be fine and in the high state of iman and health. Guzashta se pavesta from the previous page number 4 we have completed. Now we are on the page number 5th on demand lecture. So let's get started. Step to use a dictionary. There are three important steps. To use a dictionary. Number 1, we can find a word with the help of entry word and guide words as shown in the given picture. And number 2, entry words are main words whose meaning have been given. They are arranged alphabetically from A to Z. Guide words are found at the top of the page. They save your time. For example, guide word counter, entry word counter, and pronunciation counter, and part of speech. What is it? Should be counter. It should be the noun. And definition mean counter march. Definition mean counter march. Or it might be a boot round the heel. It might be a boot round the heel, and it is quite like if we justify, some are important points like counter, and correspondence. For example, printing type, etc., that is completely enclosed by an outline. For example, the loop of the originally unknown counter. For example, the back part of the shoe or boot counter. Opposite or rivalry, outer demonstration, counter inflationary, two opposite directions, counter current. For example, correspondence. All these are the particular. There are 4 points. Number 1, guide word. Number 2, entry word. Number 3, pronunciation word. Number 4, part of speech. And number 5th, definition. That will definitely help you what it is mean by the word in its all impact and in its all depictions. So the next point is, for example, contract, and the next one, counter attack. These are the related words in which we use counter attractions and counterbalance. For example, counterbalance. Okay, consult a dictionary to fill in the given table. Consult a dictionary to fill in the given table. For example, refugee, noun, refuge, and meaning protections from a danger. Noun and meanings protection from a danger. Declaring, pronunciation, part of speech, verb, and meanings meanings to declare something or to declare someone or declare the issue. And then preach and gracious. Preach is also a verb, and also we use it as a noun, like preaching's verb. And meanings mean to preach something like religious matter or to like other matter. Gracious mean that's a adjective, and that mean that's a particular isme sift, and that's a particular what would we say in English? That's a particular phenomena. No, that's heavy. That's a particular manner. That's a particular manner. Deterioration, that is your homework. And conflict, that is also mean anger. And conflict, pronunciation, part of speech, as both noun and verb, and meanings angry or take anger or so on. B, multiple syllable words. Read me, remember. Read me, remember me. First we are going to read remember me. First we are going to remember. Syllable is a word or part of the word that has only one vowel sound. For example, amnesty. Read me. Multisyllable words are the word that have more than one syllable, 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 that have more than one syllable. So here we completed our page number 6. There is no teaching point, there is no point for the teachers. So I'm going to conclude my lecture. So let me go now. We will be right back with you with the new topic, with the new on-demand lecture. So let me go now, and must subscribe and hit the bell icon. You know very well all the channels: Mentor English, Mentor Arabic, Mentor Urdu, Mentor Turkish, and Global Kids TV, Kids Circus. Thank you very much for your valuable time. Let me go now and say with me: do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.